A good reading nook has to be warm, inviting, and inspiring. You want to create a spot where you can really settle in and get comfy, so you can spend your time just getting lost in the pages. First, you need a great spot to sit. I love the unique boxed structure of this Oliver tub chair. It feels modern, it feels sculptural, and the fabric is super luxe. Most importantly, I could sink in here and read from cover to cover. The colour palette is also key. Neutral tones and a contemporary design keep this look understated, timeless, and very sophisticated. You need the right lighting to enhance those tones. The minimalist aesthetic of these Bella lamps would update and modernise any space, and they throw a warm, soft light that draws you in. I like to have a stack of books around because I tend to open them up more when they're in reach. These apero tables work particularly well in my home, where there's lots of clean lines and architectural elements. And these final touches are just as important. I always have fresh flowers around. I love the natural fragrance, and they bring so much life to a room.